Hey guys, today I'm making this Thai-inspired aromatic herb tilapia. It went amazing with this Gari fortor beans that I made, or beans Gari fortor, whichever way. But trust me, by the time you're done with this dish, you'll be happy you tried it. So first of all, I'm going to start with prepping all my herbs, and that's what you want to do. So prep ahead of time all your aromatic herbs. There's dill, a bit of fresh parsley. You have some fresh lemon juice that you're going to add to it to add some tang to your aromatic herbs. And to that I'm adding some light soy sauce, a little fish sauce, and some sugar. I mix this in with some ginger powder and I set it aside. And then I get working on the tilapia. So what you want to do is you want to make deep cuts on both sides of the tilapia, season with a bit of salt. Depending on the size of fish that you have, you want to watch the amount of salt you use. Okay, you can use red snapper for this recipe too, if that's what you have available. And next you're going to coat both sides also with a bit of cornstarch and flour. So this ensures that you have a lovely crispy exterior. Next, your oil must be aromatic. So to this I'm adding some star anise and wintia, and let it sizzle in there before I add my tilapia. The oil should be hot, please, very hot, or else it's going to be very mushy. So whilst it's frying, you want to spoon over some hot oil on the other side so that it speeds up the cooking process, and then flip it over. So about 10 minutes, 5 minutes on one side, 5 minutes on the other side, it should be ready. And I mean, look at that golden crispy exterior. I mean, you can see, right? Yeah, trust me, the end result will blow your mind. And after that 10 minutes, you want to pour over the aromatic herb mix that you made earlier, and you're going to add 1 ladle of the same hot oil to cook the herbs into the fish. And I made a really easy bean stew to go with my Gari fortor, right? So you find the recipe for that right below. Okay, I use red beans for this recipe because it gives you the best flavor and it's more nutritious. And next, your Gari should be hydrated. Okay, you want to make sure that it's really fluffy, so add a little bit of water to hydrate it and make it more fluffy so you don't have a super dry Gari fortor. So once the stew has cooled down, I add it to the Gari. So allow the stew to cool down, I beg you, or else you're going to have a very mushy Gari fortor. And once it's ready, Charlie, you have to garnish your fish. And I mean, look at that. Doesn't that look absolutely delicious? And I got this crispy exterior. The inside was so succulent. The herbs, see, dill, parsley, they work together so perfectly with the ginger. Seriously aromatic, seriously delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.